Knowing how to effectively use search engines is essential for both life and work. Being able to find accurate information quickly can help you stay informed and make better decisions. When you start a search, think about the keywords that will give you the best results. Instead of typing a long question, try using specific terms that relate to what you want to know. For example, if you're looking for news on climate change, just enter climate change news instead of a full sentence. Using quotation marks can also refine your search. If you're looking for a specific phrase, enclosing it in quotes will help you find results that contain those exact words. Don't forget to explore different tabs on your search engine results page, like news or images, to get a broader perspective. And remember, utilizing the filters can narrow your results by date, region, or type of content. This way, you can ensure that you're accessing the most relevant and up-to-date information. Mastering these skills will empower you to navigate the web confidently and efficiently, making it easier to find the information you need when you need it.